All right, so to test if this relationship actually exists between hours of sleep and cups of coffee, we're going to do a correlation coefficient. So if you go to Summary Stats Correlation, this is just a useful way. You're going to grab both your quantitative variables that you want to look at. A useful way to see sometimes a very difficult to see relationship from a graph, a scatter plot. So we don't need any group by, and I do want to do a p-value here because I would like to see if this is a statistically significant relationship. So I'm going to go ahead and just press compute, and we can see the correlation here. There is a negative relationship, which is what we saw in that scatter plot in that missing area, and the p-value is less than 0.001. So definitely a strong relationship, not strongly significant, moderate negative relationship. It's kind of confusing. We have this effect size versus the actual p-value, which is all about how much evidence we have. So we have very strong evidence of a moderate negative relationship, and it does appear the less you sleep, the more you sleep, the less cups of coffee you need, or vice versa. So anyways, that's all you have to do for correlation. You've got your correlation coefficient, and you have your p-value. So based on this, we have enough evidence that there is a linear relationship, and then we can kind of secondarily say, based on this correlation, that relationship is negative, which means so forth, so on.